Usually I use gouache or acrylic. For example, I like it lemon yellow. It's gouache.
Gouache.
This is blue and different kind green. This is my favorite acrylic, what I using for everything. It's fantastic. To make nice gradient, you must prepare your colors. And I usually try to mix with water till your colors not will be like cream. It's very important. You can use more water, less water, but must be like cream. It's very important. And take a long time. I don't like it. This is the most worst what I don't like in painting, because you must prepare your colors. Don't be greedy about water, but don't give so much. Must mix very good. Of course, you must do this with each color. Green, and I use sometimes different kind green, cold, warm, maybe dark. Sometimes it's just your fantasy. And of course, blue I take, for example, to understand if you mix yellow with blue, yes, you will have green. But mix this color very well, because I cannot using from bottle. Sometimes my English will be not so good. Excuse me. Yes, exactly. We do like this boring stuff. And now finally we start to paint. Maybe you see from my video, I don't like to paint with pencil, because I like very fast to paint. The most interesting, because for this kind of paintings, usually I use squirrel, different size. And it's small size, not so big. Very important to have, you see, I have so much pencil. Sometimes I think it's huge money. Today I will choose this pencil. Good. This is size number 3. Squirrel. Have very long. And this same, but different brand. Put your brush in yellow colors, full, but don't take a lot. Just make, and only a little bit you must take green. Just a little bit. First time I propose to you, take a little bit. Look how it will be. Push and continue with the same colors. When you take a little bit green, you see most of yellow. Next time I try to take more green. And of course it's more strong. I hope you like it. No any magic, just simple secret. It's again, you must take yellow, and now I will use a little bit more dark green. More dark, but nothing change. You see, I take a little bit green. Yes, not more. And push. Usually I take second times green because in first time I using all dark. And you see before what I did. Every time green using and yellow will be more strong. Sorry for my English, my vocabulary not so big. Like this. Again. The same. You see, I don't take a lot yellow. Yes, it's full brush, but not a lot. And same magic. Slowly, don't be fast, because you must feel colors. And your brush, it's very important. But with squirrel is the best. And of course, every time you must to clean your brush. Every time. If you not will use, this is my advice, color will be not so clear, gradient will be not so strong. You must to clean your colors every time. Yes, you see, I take yellow and now with blue. Everybody knows, yes, if you mix yellow with blue, will be green. Let's see what is it will be now. Again. First time it's take all green, all blue, sorry. Continue. And now you will see what we will have. My advice, don't be hurry, better to slowly, because you just study. Yes, perfect. I clean my brush and after again take yellow and blue. This is important. Don't be lazy, clean your brush. Yeah, we did. A little bit olives, and you see now we will try to using 3 color in same time. And take dark. Sometimes people ask it how I have 3 colors in same time like this. Nothing special. I want you to see these leaves because here I using another way how to paint. But it's beautiful too. It's just only your fantasy and imagination. And of course you can use in different yellow, different blue, different gray. I don't know, just your fantasy. I hope you like it.